on a corkscrew. On that evening when I asked why I felt so blue, it must have been even harder to spill the blackest truth as I approached you with a smile of an unsuspecting fool. Now all the little details so deep do they sting. Dates, gestures and jokes to us so unique. Some trivial things, fragments of scenes, paint the lonely notion of how it used to be. The heartbeat slow down in the night. My heart then finds the time to wonder why, oh why. I felt my pain was special until I realized that these kinds of things just happen all the time. And I couldn't stand you in my picture frame. Still I couldn't feed your face to the heart